Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our weather analysis for this Monday to Wednesday, February 21 to 23, 2022. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph set for today, Monday, until tomorrow, Tuesday. We have the northeast monsoon. This is another surge, which is already affecting the northern sections of Luzon, including Batanes, Padua, and Cubab Islands. And it's digging down across the eastern sections of northern and central Luzon, portions of the Bicol region, becoming a weaker northeast monsoon known as the northeasterlies, affecting the Mimacopa area, Visayas, and Sulu archipelago, including the Calayan Island group. And these areas will have rough seas and dangerous small sea crafts, as well as some passing showers and isolated thunderstorms, especially in the afternoon or evening. The winds will peak from around 30 to 50 or 60 kph, especially along the coastal waters facing the Philippine Sea, and down south across the southern portions of Mindanao, particularly Davao region, Oxygen, and Zamboanga Peninsula, as well as southern Palawan. They will be under the influence of a surface trough all the way across the southern sections of Micronesia. And so far we have here a departing tail end of a frontal system known technically as a shear line. So far outside of PAR, we don't have any developing low pressure area or tropical cyclone within the next 5 to 10 days. And that's the latest so far from the graph set. Here's the fast animation. You can clearly see here the cloudiness shaded with the northeasterly wind flow and the northeast monsoon, as well as the surface trough. And here's the infrared satellite animation. There are patches of scattered cloudiness with rain showers and thunderstorms across portions of southern Tagalog provinces and eastern Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. If we take a look at the wind forecast for the next 3 days until Thursday, by tomorrow afternoon we could expect the winds will be shifting back from the east, so the easterlies will return once again. And on Wednesday we have the weakening of the easterlies, but we have another new surge of the northeast monsoon moving downwards from the eastern coastline of China towards Taiwan and into the Batanes, Padua, and Cubab Islands. And there's a possibility of another frontal system forming just to the east of Taiwan. And on Thursday, the new surge of another monsoonal flow of the northeast monsoon will affect extreme northern Luzon on Thursday. So this is these are back-to-back surges of the northeast monsoon as we near the month of March. The end of the monsoon season is probably between March 15 to March 25. So that's the seasonal schedule of the northeast monsoon. And if you take a look at the rainfall forecast for the next 3 days until Thursday, by tomorrow afternoon, there might be some rain showers and thunderstorms across the western sections of Luzon, from Ilocos region down to the central sections of Luzon, and also in some portions of Mimacopa like Oriental Mindoro, Marinduque, western sections of the Bicol region, and eastern Visayas. And on Wednesday afternoon, some showers and isolated thunderstorms will continue across the eastern sections of the Visayas and some isolated areas of central and western Visayas. And on Thursday afternoon, isolated thunderstorms will also be expected across the northeastern portions of Mindanao, that's Caraga, and including the areas of Siargao and Dinagat Islands. And another surge of the northeast monsoon will be affecting the Cagayan Valley, and we could see here some line of clouds. This is probably another shear line that could bring some rainfall across the Cagayan Valley area, particularly the eastern sections of Cagayan. And so far, that's the latest from the rain forecast. if we summarize the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days until Thursday, this is more of the forecasted rainfall that may occur over the eastern and northern sections of Cagayan Valley down to Aurora Province, and the eastern sections of Central Luzon, that's northern Quezon, and also along the eastern sections of the Bicol region, particularly over Catanduanes and the eastern Albay, eastern Sorsogon area, and the eastern sections of Samar and Leyte provinces, as well as some isolated areas of Oriental Mindoro, Romblon, northern Panay, and northernmost tip of Negros. And also down here across the Dinagat, Siargao Island, and the eastern sections of Davao Oriental and eastern Caraga, there might be isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. So that's the forecast of the 3-day rainfall accumulation until Thursday. So you have an idea where the focus of the rainfall will be until Thursday. And this is simply due to the existing northeast monsoon shifting back from the east, or changing back into warm easterlies. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest for this Monday evening until Wednesday. And we'll be back again on February 23rd to give you more latest weather situation across the Philippine Islands and nearby areas. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, be #WeatherWiser, and thank you so much for watching our channel.